Welkom terug. Dit is weer ek, die gunsteling Afrikaanse kanaal. Die vorige les het ons gepraat van die klanke van woorde. Previous lesson we talked about the sounding of the word. So now we can continue with the consonants. Ons sal voortgaan met die konsonante. So last keer het ons gestop by onze gunsteling woord, die g woord. Kan ons onthou? Gaan, gou, goeie, gans, goeie môre, goeie middag, goeie naand. So that's the g sound, that's the G sound that we were doing. Now let's go a little bit further and go to the H sound. Now the H sound in Afrikaans is h. If you use the word hond, hunt, dog, hunt, horse, a rabbit. And you hear the h. So if I take the word hond, let's sound the word hond. H, o, n, d. Again, the word. You sound it, you will be able to say it correctly. Now when we look at the word want, let's use another word. Let's start maybe with the D. Kom ons gebruik nog 'n woord wat met die D begin. Sê das. Hond, das. You see? Sound remain the same. Very, very important to remember that. Let's go to another sound, y. The J, y, yas, yonk, y, yas, yonk, y, yas, yonk, the J sound. Let's go to the K sound, k, k, kas, kas. Komkommer. Kas is a cupboard. Cucumber, komkommer. So there again you can clearly identify the sounding of the word. Now we go to the next one. L, L. The L sound. Lank, las, lank, long, late, last. Next one, the m sound. Mooi, mama, mommy, mooi, beautiful. Mama, my mother. Muni, muni, in muni, muni down. The N,